Lazar. She stands 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighs 109 pounds, and measures 33. Number 8, Harlu Dawn Vitai. A simple, optimistic, and God-fearing person, Jobel C. Hintula is NQ 2010's candidate number 9. She stands 5 feet 4 inches, weighs 109 pounds, and measures 30, 24, and 33 and a half. Jamaica Gail J. Brutas, a Colegio San Agustin second-year tourism management student. She stands 5 feet 7.5 inches, weighs 120 pounds, and measures 33.5, 26, and 35. Final 10, Jamaica Gail J. Brutas. Ladies and gentlemen, the Mascara Queen 2010 Final 10 in the Yash Design Swimwear. Yash Design is located in the North Point building, BS Aquino Drive, Bacolod City. At this point in time, let us have another close look at our ladies with the traditional quarter turns. Ladies, a quarter turn to your right, and now. Another quarter turn, and now. And another quarter turn to your right, and now. And the final quarter turn, and now. Thank you so much, ladies. Next set of lovely ladies. A quarter turn to your right, and now. And another quarter turn, and now. Another quarter turn to your right, and now. The final quarter turn, and now. Thank you so much, ladies. Good luck. Again, we would like to thank Yash Versailles for this afternoon swimwear, which they also used for the swimsuit tutorial here in Palmas del Mar last September 19. Wally's Bake Shop, Wella Metal Corporation, leading in Chinatown Square, Bacolod, Almasa, Almorza Masa, Samsung Electronics, Chicken Deli, Monaco Pa, Body Shots, Photo and Video Shop, Avery's for their delicious sausages, Isabella's Beauty Haven, Association of Negros Producers, Cast and Band, Jim's Coffee, and our official tabulator, Alba Romero Corporation. And of course, our host for this afternoon's event, Palmas del Mar Conference and Resort, or Palmas del Mar Conference Resort and Hotel. This afternoon, live here at Palmas del Mar, we are being aired live over TV Patron Negros. Mike, you want to wave, ladies? Lovely Friday afternoon, lovely venue here at Palmas del Mar. Lovely ladies, the final 10 for